Okay, I'm gonna test this mic by doing this. Sorry about my camera. We're playing Cabin Crew Simulator. Because in my other video, you can't even hear me. So I'm going to do this. You barely hear me. What's going on? I can't broadcast. Audio. Weather. Actually, I want aircraft. Okay. Hopefully you guys can hear me. If you can't, let me know. Let's check the allowance. Wait, I don't have an allowance. Meow meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow meow meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow meow meow. Meow 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 meow. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pick my flight. I'm sorry if my voice is good. I'm gonna edit this video if my voice is terrible. I'm sorry. Let's not that plane. I like this plane, but soon we can get to a 12,000 plane. Wait, hold on. Let's see if there's any new codes, because I don't know any codes. Let's just figure out codes. Just type in, at cabin crew. I'm gonna move my recording thing a bit down. To open this up. Okay, we got to check. At cabin crew RBLX. Let's search up my codes. Oh, but I'm so sorry on. Okay. Let's see the newest one. Turns out there are no new ones. No new ones. I'm going to go ahead and head back to my recording area on this window. And we're all good. Tell me if there's any new ones. We're going to take the B757200. Which has business. LA. I like LA. I've been to LA before, so I'm going to go to LA. Go ahead and go. It feels so quiet. Kennedy and Jackson. Let's see. Your guys' safety is better. So I'm taking these guys. Rosie and Elizabeth. I'm gonna invite everyone. In flight, not same airport, not same airport. In flight, not same airport. Boom. We're gonna hire all for us. We want you. Emerson! Isn't Emerson on forgot what it's called. True Reese's flight. So Emerson, you're on mine too. Okay. Actually, let's fly a plane today. I need my luggage. If you know how True Reese's actually never mind, hopefully I don't get boy, I'm have to go through this. Hopefully my safety inspection is good. Cause I don't know when's the next safety wait, what? New York City? They got delayed. Ooh. I'm at 5:25 a.m. Okay, I got 6 hours. That's pretty good. But hopefully the safety crew says we're good. Okay, but I'm gonna, because I don't know our safety yet. We'll do it in LA. I'm gonna check my safety. Because I do not trust. Okay, we close you up. Economy, you may be good. Only they'll be good. I'm there. why is like turn off the online cleanup? It's probably the wrong video. I don't edit my vids. I don't think editing is good. Only like I like doing like. Gallery is not supposed to be done yet. So I check my iPad. Something I won't do that. What is this? Wait. That makes probably. Whoa! I got free kill! How did I not know this? What am I doing? Camera speed. Wow! I did not know. That's how people do free cam in this game. Gallery prepared. Or a different gallery. I'm missing chips. Where did they put the chips? Oh, look at that. We're missing chips. Who stole these chips? Who dares to steal these chips? Oh well, I just. You guys not see butter? I saw it. I'm sharing a coffee, okay?
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain for the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
Why is my gallery not working?
Now we request your full attention to the flight attendants demonstrate the safety features on board this aircraft. With the seatbelt sign illuminates, you must fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal fittings one into the other, and tighten by pulling on the loose end of the strap. To release your seatbelt, lift the upper portion of the buckle. We suggest that you keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight as you may experience turbulence. There are several emergency exits on this aircraft. Please take a few moments now to locate your nearest exit. In some cases, your nearest exit may be behind you. If we need to evacuate the aircraft, floor-level lighting will guide you towards the exit. Doors can be opened by moving the handle in the direction of the arrow. Each door is equipped with an inflatable slide which may also be detached to use as a life raft. Oxygen and the air pressure are always being monitored. In the event of a decompression event, an oxygen mask will automatically appear in front of you. To start the flow of oxygen, pull the mask towards you, place it firmly over your nose and mouth, and secure the elastic band behind your head and breathe normally. Although the bag does not inflate, oxygen is flowing to your mask. If you are travelling with a child or someone who requires assistance, secure your mask on first and then assist the other person. Keep your mask on until a uniformed crew member advises you to remove it. In the event of an emergency, please assume the bracing position. Lean forward with your hands on top of your head and your elbows against your thighs. Ensure your feet are flat on the floor. A life vest is located in the pouch under your seat or between the armrests. When instructed to do so, open the plastic pouch and remove the vest. Slip it over your head, pass the straps around your waist and adjust the front. To inflate the vest, pull firmly on the red cord only when leaving the aircraft. If you need to refill the vest, blow into the mouthpieces. Use the whistle and light to attract attention if required. Also, your seat bottom cushion can be used as a flotation device. Pull the cushion from the seat, slip your arms into the straps, and hug the cushion tightly towards your chest. At this time, your portable electronic devices must be set in the airplane mode until an announcement is made upon arrival. You will find this and all the other safety information in the card located in the seat pocket in front of you. We strongly suggest you read this before takeoff. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask one of our crew members. We wish you an enjoyable flight.
What is wrong with this game? Is my chip? You have the chip back. You have to cancel the entire video because we don't have a chip back? What is it being blocked by? We didn't buy an invisible chip bag? Yeah, no. That's the end of the video.